by listening to Luke Connard and Friends. His friends, like Miss Glamorazzi, his girlfriend, Landon Austin, Alex Stute, Chad Sugg, and so that's what you'll be listening to. So to first start off, here's my bed, and it's very nice and sunny out today. So my bed is polka dots, as you can see, and there's just lots of different colors, but yet it's fun but not overpowering, and I really like it. There's green, raspberry, orange, and light pink, and yeah, green pillow in the middle. So I really like my bed. And yes, nobody's perfect with their beds, so don't judge. Thanks, guys. I would appreciate it. And yeah, then my clock is over there with a lamp with green and pink, and it has butterflies. And my iPod is also over there in the clock, charging, but I just have it always charging because it's a good thing to do, and it has a speaker, so that's good. I really like that, but I'm hoping to get a new music thing one day because I like listening to music, but so that's there. And my blanket is there you go. My blanket is hot pink and very fuzzy, and my duvet is in my bed, so that's why it looks big, but my duvet is just a white duvet when it's cold out for winter time, because I had this in for winter, and now it's getting warmer, so that's a good thing. Yeah, so that's all around my bed. The curtain things with my blinds match, and yeah, a car just went by. There's a barbecue outside on the porch, and there is my computer with Luke Connard. So, hi Luke Connard. I love his music, and right now it is playing Who Says with Miss Glamorazzi and Luke, so that's a good song by them. And it's by Selena Gomez. That's my computer. I just have an HP. That's my camera case. I think it's really cute. It's just hot pink as well. And yeah, now I will go over here. So over here we have me, my grade 8 graduation picture for the yearbook, my name in pink and green, because my room is raspberry, pink, and green themed, and I really like it. It makes it fun in my room, and I've had it for a while. It was a surprise, so I was happy about that. And so it just says my name. And here we have my headphones. They are just not expensive headphones. They are just Headrush headphones, and they work pretty well, but I wish I had better ones. So maybe in the future I'll get myself to get some new ones. And yeah, then I have a box full of cords like camera charger, phone charger, and my iPod cord. So So that's what's in there. And I have extra headphones in there that I do not use. Then down here I have my nail polish. And yeah, it works okay. I don't hate it. It's just, I wish it was a little better, but it works good. Then I have my files, my nail art, my Vaseline cream, cocoa butter, my nail kit in that little flip-flop case that's purple with polka dots, my Beauty Rush coconut berry spray, and my new body butters that I got a few days ago, and I showed them in a haul. And guys, let me just say, I've tried them and I'm absolutely in love with them. I have the strawberry, the orange, and the cocoa butter with a sample of coconut. And they are amazing, guys. I really recommend them because you will be smelling them all day, every day, girl. And I just really recommend them because they are super good and I think you will love them. Then I have my Someday perfume. Then I have my nail polishes. And yeah, now I'm turning around to show you something else. Here's the house phone, my cell phone, and it is currently 3:20 p.m. It just changed, and yeah, there's my remote for the TV. And now I'm just moving slightly, guys. I have my necklaces and extra necklaces in the blue box, and another necklace in the big box that goes with my watch. And yeah, I'm wearing my watch right now. I'll show you guys after. And the small black box is where I keep my earrings. And extra jewelry is also over here. There's a Kleenex box. There's me when I was little. And there's a scent portable on the picture. There's my vitamins. They taste like candy, guys. So if you like vitamins that taste good, I would recommend those. And I have my TV, and my DVD player, and my remote, and my cable, and my chest of just random things that I don't normally use. And yeah. And it has a book in there that I always used to read when I was little. It has like a bunch of teddy bears and like a mini story about the teddy bears. It's kind of weird, I know, guys, but I used to read that and be like, oh, the teddy bears are so cute. When I was little, I thought teddy bears were adorable. Now, close up of my window. It's pretty nice out. Yeah. And then my mirror. And a Cancer sign, because that is my horoscope with diamond gems on it, fake gems, and yeah. I painted this mirror white. My mom painted it because I wanted it white. So, and yeah, in the background there's a green picture and a pink flower picture. And my headboard. And yeah. And my chandelier I've had forever. And yeah, I'm hoping to get a new one soon. And yeah, that device there helps me get around in my room. And over there is what I put on before I get in that device. It's not very complicated, guys. It might seem complicated, but it's not. Don't worry. I get around pretty good. And yeah, there's my clock again. There's the pictures. Yeah. And there's my end of my bed. I think it was the Mary-Kate and Ashley collection, like, years ago. I've had it forever, but it works well. My chair is just a crappy chair that I used to put stuff on, but I don't use it anymore. I put my pillows on it at night, but yeah, it's just a chair for that type of stuff. Then my light switch plate that my mom helped me make, and I really like it. My bathroom, my closet, here's my bathroom. I have the lemon soap, and it smells really good. It's a new one because I just ran out of my winter one. And I washed my brushes, so they're just drying there. And my makeup, and my cup, my toothpaste, my deodorant, my face washes, my mirror, my other mirror, and just bathroom stuff, just stuff like that. So yeah, just the typical bathroom stuff with towels and makeup bag and more towels. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys very soon in my next video. Okay. I hope you liked seeing what was in my room, so I love my room, and I hope you guys enjoyed too. Bye!